it's my sister's birthday. Yes. So I thought of bringing the chocolates. But I need some help, So tomorrow let us go to the shop together. Okay? So with your help, let me buy some chocolate. Fine. Yeah. Now I'm going to the shop. Yes, it's far from my home, but it's fine. I'm going to the shop now. So now let me ask this shopkeeper. So, I need a box of chocolates. And it should be around 100 chocolates. And the price of one chocolate should be around 2 rupees. Why are you looking at me like that? Fine, I know I'm confused. But it's okay. Just give me a chocolate, okay? Fine. Later, this shopkeeper told me that, see, I don't have a stock of box, but I do have a box full of chocolates of 2 types. One is of Dairy Milk, another one is of Munch. And he told that he was a little busy, so you have to separate yourself. So I got an idea. So I need your help now. Okay guys? So let us separate this chocolate. And let's count how many chocolates will be there. See? Now this shopkeeper hand over the box to me. Now let us separate and count the chocolates I need. Since Dairy Milk was 5 rupees and the Munch was 2 rupees, I need a chocolate of 2 rupees, right? So I shall take only the Munch. Now let us begin the count without wasting any time. So let me count. Let me separate this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, so on. 95, 96, 97, 98, finally 99. Finally finished. Oh, but if I see, there is only 99 chocolates, right? And there is 1 chocolate less. But it's fine. So let me buy this 99 chocolates and let me give this to my sister. So fine. So give me this chocolate box of 99 chocolates. And I'm gonna take this box and I'm gonna go for home. Now guys, since my home is too far from here, so let us play a game before reaching the home. Is that fine? Yes. See now what I'll do. Here, let us imagine that this road path is nothing but the numbers. Okay, so let us imagine that I'm walking on this numbers. Now, I'm standing on the number 90. You can see, right? There is it's mentioned that it is 90. Now, I need to reach to the number which is next to the 25. So, what is the number which is next to 25? Yes, it is 26. Now let me jump towards the 26. Yeah. Finally 26 I just reached. Next one is a number which is next to the 38. It is 39, right? So now let us jump towards the 39. Yahoo! Finally I reached on the 39. Now I need to reach towards the 58. Now let me jump towards the 58. And then from 58, let me jump towards the 67. And then from 67, let me jump on 75. Then from 75, let me jump towards the 82. Finally that number you can see which is a 99. So let me jump there. Finally, I'm gonna jump to the 99. I can see my home here. Oh, finally I reached my home. It was a good time, Fine. So let's play this game once again when we meet. Now I'm gonna go to my home. Bye bye.